How to use call numbers. Each book has its own call number. Items in our library are organized on the shelves by these call numbers. The call numbers in the catalog are listed all on one line, but when you go to find the books, you will see that the same call numbers are listed line by line. The first part of call numbers will generally begin with one or two letters, with the first letter representing a subject area and the second letter representing a subcategory within that subject. Read these letters alphabetically. Following the first letters will be a set of numbers that further define the subject. These numbers are read and shelved in regular numerical order. The next set of letters and numbers are called cutter numbers and refer to the author or organization or title. Read the letter alphabetically and the numbers as decimals. Then you may see a year of publication at the end if there are multiple editions of the same title. There may also be a volume number if the book is part of a multi-volume set. Once you have the call number from the catalog, use the first two letters to hone in on the shelving area that your book is in. Do this by looking at the call number ranges on the end of the library shelves. Once you have found the right letters, use the number ranges to find that section that your specific call number falls within. Once you are in the correct section and shelf, use the rest of the call number to find the specific book. Check out the book at the checkout desk using your student ID card. If you have trouble finding library materials, just ask an LPC librarian.